Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of silver has moved in the last week and how the price of silver can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of silver, silver is moving in this zone. Okay. Now if you look at these two trends, what we have seen that it has already made one particular high, that is around 32.5. After that it is continuously downside. This is the range where the price of silver is moving for so long. Okay, mostly silver moves in a zone. So whenever there is a zone breakout, we have seen an upside as well as downfall. Okay, looking at this particular chart, what we can see, suppose if the price started falling again towards a level of 28.9, a further downfall we can see, then there will be a further fall. Okay, now what you can see looking at this particular chart, if the price moving below this level, because this level we have not seen since May first week, so chances are high it will fall this particular level and can go towards $27 and then a further low. Because see, what we have seen, the volatility for this week is 31 and then to a level of 20. That means around $3 movement we can see. So if the price started going out of this zone, we can see there will be a movement of $2-3. That is what we have seen in the last week. So this is what we can see in the next week. Okay, looking at this particular chart, what we can see from 2 weeks, previous weeks, it is continuously on the downside, and this is an uptrend, overall uptrend. Okay, and now this is the range. So if the price range break downside towards 28.5, a further downfall, but if the price started going above a level of 30.8, a further upside movement we can see, and then it can cross a level of 31.8 also, and then further upside. Now going back on the dollar index, what we can see, the dollar index is trying to go higher, as I've already explained you. Suppose if the price sustain above this level 104.5, we can see there will be a further upside, but if the price started going again below a level of 104, a further downfall we can see. So you have to understand, looking at this particular chart, that if the price started going above a level of 104.5, we can see the price can touch a level of 105 also, and then further upside if the dollar index started going higher. But if the price started falling below a level of 104, a further downfall we can see in the dollar index. Okay, then the price of silver can go upside. Okay, overall trend for the DXY dollar index is continuously on the downside, but from 2 days it is continuously on a higher side. So we can see there will be an upside if the price keep moving above this level. Now coming back on the silver price, let's see if the price didn't sustain. So before I move, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Suppose if the price didn't sustain, what we can see, it can move below a level of $28.9, which is already being a weak support, and then it can go below a level of 28.5. Suppose if the price moving below this particular level, chances of going further down from we can see towards $27.4, which is the next support, and then after that we can see it will fall further low towards a level of $26.6. Suppose if the price falling below a level of 26.6, we can see a level of $26, and then it can go further down towards 25.9 and then to a level of $25.3. Okay, and if that didn't sustain, a further downfall towards 24.6 we can see, and then a further fall. But if the price sustain, what we can see, suppose if the price sustain, we can see it can go towards its next resistance at a level of 29.7, which is the strong resistance. After that we can see it will go towards $30.2. This $30.2 is already being a resistance which is tested. Okay, strong resistance, so a bounce back we can see, or if that sustain, a further upside. Suppose if the price sustain above that level, we can see a level of 30.8, and if that levels goes upside, we can see it will cross a level of around 31.3, which level is already being tested here. So chances are high it will cross a level of 31.7, and then there will be a zone breakout, so chances of touching 32.3 we can see, and then it can touch its all-time high of around 32.5. Okay, and then a further upside movement we can see in the price of silver. So you have to understand, as soon as this zone breakout happens above a level of $32.3, which is a half this which we have not seen since 2013. So chances are high if the price started going up 32, a further upside movement we can see towards 32.4, and then a level of 34 also we can see if the price started going up 32. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel,